Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use virtual credit card on CIMB. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First, download the latest version of the CIMB mobile app. Now open the app and switch over to the Cards tab. Here you can see an option to apply for a virtual credit card. As you can see, it's going to be Revi Credit as a Visa card. Tap to get my virtual card. Now you have to agree the terms and conditions. Now your card has been made. You can use it anywhere by using the informations of your card. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.